Hi, welcome back to this next video in our series of building report parts. In this video we're going to look at rebuilding a title page. And in this video I would like to show you the following things. Putting in section break next page so that formatting is controlled and restricted to the title page. Setting up the title page so that content on the title page is centered vertically as well as horizontally, placing the actual content on the page, and then lastly I'd like to show you how to put on a page border so that it only appears on the title page. When your product is finished, it should look like the following document here: basic title page, content centered vertically, page border only on the title page. So let's get started. Let's move my notes over onto my second screen and we'll get going. I'm going to start off with a brand new document. In order to go to that, I'm going to go to my File tab or the Office button. We want New, Blank Document, and Create. I always like to begin a new document by hitting Enter at least a couple or 3 times so that I can more easily put new content at the top of the page later on. I find it's easier to delete these placeholders than to try and insert them later. So, starting then with putting in our section break next page. Go to the Page Layout tab, we'll go to the Breaks button, we'll go to the next page, and notice immediately that we have another page and we have a section break next page on the title page. Our next step is to center our content vertically on the page. In order to do that, we're going to go again to our page layout. Then we're going to go to our page setup ribbon. This time we're going to use the dialog box launcher. We're going to go to the layout tab and we're going to set our vertical alignment on the title page to center and click OK. And now you can see that our content on the title page is centered vertically. In my next step, I am going to add my report title, which is Report Notes. I'm going to put in author information, which is Mr. DeWitt. I'm going to put in audience information, which is my computer class. I'm going to put in date information, and I'm just going to use today's date. I had mentioned in our introductory video that generally size reflects the importance of the elements on the page. I'm going to set report notes on the Home tab to be about size maybe 36. Mr. DeWitt, my name isn't all that important, so I'll make me about size 20. My computer class is more important as far as I'm concerned than I am, so I'll make them size 24. The date isn't all that important either, so I'll make it size 14. And that just basically sets the relative importance of the information on the page. My next step, I'd like to take all these and notice the cursor over in the left margin, click and drag, picks up the whole line. I'm going to set the position as a horizontal center. And then that leaves me the last thing of putting on a page border. In order to do that, I need to go back to my page layout tab. I need to go to my page background ribbon, page borders button. Again, there's the tab for page border. I'm going to set this thing to apply not to the whole document, which is the default thing, but to this section. I'll just set a box, my style, whichever one you happen to want to pick. My color, set it as orange. My width, bump it up and click OK. And there you see that I have a page border on my title page. It only applied to the title page, and then I have the rest of the information sitting in here. If you wanted to add a graphic to this title page at this point, you could do that. I'm going to stop with this tutorial at this point. Thank you for watching.